Wayne, it's been an amazing experience to actually be at the headquarters at Mappo in Ireland, WWS, and now we're at Miller. But can you tell me a little bit about Miller and what you actually provide here?
Miller is the competence centre for the Mappo Group globally for solid carbide tools, end mills and drills, standard and special solutions really being the main focus for us here. Obviously, a drill is not a drill. It's one of the biggest drill manufacturers in Europe, but the expertise and the knowledge that lies behind the carbide products is absolutely critical to the Mappo Group in offering solutions to our automotive, our aircraft and other areas, sectors. Obviously, we pride ourselves on the technology we put into the carbide products. It's readily available that from a performance perspective, Mappo is a global world leader. In line with our other competence centres and the structure of the Mappo Group, in the domestic countries we support the customers with regrind and reservice very close to their own production facilities, and it's of critical importance that each competence centre can regrind the same drill to the same quality of the competence. And with that, the investment in the machines, the type of machines, our networking of information has to be really harmonised for that to be achieved. So a very big goal of the subsidiaries and the headquarter and each competence centre is to make sure that is transferred and that we have capable people able to deliver solutions in partnership with our customer base globally and our global partners.
And one thing I've noticed through the factories that we've been to over the last few days is the amount of money that you spend not only on equipment and capital equipment but also in people and apprentices.
Yeah, in all of the competence centres as we've seen on our journey from Ireland with the academy into Mappo WS yesterday, and here they have over 60 young people, so the investment in the future of the company is very important. Not only having good people, having good products, but we need people to believe in the ethos of Mappo, what we're about, and in the stages of learning we are finding currently in the marketplace, good people lead to a very strong business structure.
And when you look at this site, the Miller site here, will there be further expansion?
Yeah, we can see already we have planned for the future. We see the carbide products in our industry, which is changing, becoming very, very critical and important to the group. We see the demand on that worldwide being a growth area for Mappo, but we will only grow if we take new technology, new geometries and new solutions to our customers. So we know there are lots of customers there with new materials, new challenges, and it's vital that we partner each other and we find a resolution so we can all see a positive future.
And one thing I've seen across the factories as well is that you're not only doing standard tooling, which lots of other manufacturers are, but really where you capitalise on is very much special tooling, isn't it?
Indeed it is, but we see both markets, and both markets have to be catered for, but our background and our tradition for Mappo is specialised tooling and specialised solutions, and from this we gain the knowledge, and if we see then there is a position in the marketplace for our customers, we can look to integrate that into more of a standard range. But for sure for us, Mappo is synonymous with specials.
And when you look at the segments and the markets, aerospace, automotive, medical, any other areas?
Yeah, we see other areas developing for carbide tools, but on top of that we see the coating in tandem with the tooling, with the solution, all have to come together, and these will open up new channels for us. But to stay where we currently are, it's a changing market, and we must have a real open spectrum of what's available for us. From, we said, mould and die is a big business we see for Mappo going forward, and we can take our technology into that area sector. Medical, as you've said, aerospace, but automotive, we still have e-mobility, so it will all open up. It will all open up, we feel, but we must always have the technology, the quality, the expertise, and it must be a global overview.
Well, hopefully we've done you justice by showing the factories through video element, but we wish Mappo a great and successful future.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to have you.